Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO, and in this video I will show you how to check the battery health on this laptop. To do this, open the Start menu and search for CMD program. Once you find it, run it as administrator and click Yes, and in the following fields input battery powers CFG spacebar / battery report. Then select this path and right click on it to copy and open either your file explorer or web browser. Input this path right here and press enter, and in the battery report you'll find the information like full charge capacity and the design capacity, and that's basically all you need to know about your device's battery health, because the design capacity is the original capacity of your device with which it was provided to you, and the full charge capacity is the capacity that is the current capacity of your device. And as you can see, the current capacity is slightly lower than the original one. So the current capacity is 50 watts an hour, and the design capacity is 63. That means that this battery is slightly worn out. Once this value goes significantly lower, it would be the time to replace the battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.